Having lunch. We have our weatherproof Narrows gear on. I feel like I look like a Star Trek character. There's Jesse in his gear. Hiked about a mile in, and I think we're about to hit the actual Narrows where you dip into the water. So I'm gonna have to put the camera away because, you know, we ain't gonna have another incident like we did in Canada. Hopefully update you. I'm gonna try and bring the GoPro out. I saw we're low on battery with that, so I don't know. Hopefully I can get some footage. Okay, babe, I think it's time.
Badass, huh?
Yeah, this is so freaking sweet. We've gotten into like waist deep water already. It's insane how deep the water gets. We were talking to a couple over here and they said that they had to turn around because the water went up to their neck, which I am short, so it would have went above my head. So I don't know how far deep we're gonna go into this, but I mean, I'm down to go as deep as we can go, you know, babe?
Yeah, for sure.
It's pretty fucking cool. Hiking for like over a couple hours now. We hit Wall Street, right here. Freaking cool. So narrow.
Pretty cool.
We're like the only ones out here. It's kind of scary, but kind of cool at the same time. Look at this. What was that? Okay, so this is about where my camera cut off. We walked into Wall Street a little bit more and then we just kind of found a turning point because it started getting dark on us, and of course my GoPro was like dead. But yeah, that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.